What do you want to know about the 5 Buddha families? This is what it is. In each of the Buddha families, they contain both. Both. For example, in the Amoga Siddhi family, green, let's just take one example so we have to go through each one. In the Amoga Siddhi family, the Buddha that's green in color, out of the 5 Buddha families, green represents miserliness. Green represents miserliness, not giving, emotional miserliness, physical miserliness, greediness, gimme, 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 me, miserliness. Having this quality will help us to take rebirth in one of the 3 lower realms, specifically spirit. So what happens is, that is the confused behavior. So when we're miserly, and we're selfish, and we don't give, and we don't share, and we use people, and we take things, we want things for free, and we want other things for other people to pay for us, and we don't want to come out with it ourselves, that is confused behavior. Why? Because that one brings us even more unhappiness. It creates more confusion. It creates more disaster. So therefore, it's called confused behavior. That's his terminology, by the way. Now, at the same time, it is enlightened behavior because when you purify that energy, it becomes the energy of generosity and giving. Okay? So what happens is, when you have that particular energy, how to say it? The miserliness is transformed into generosity. Therefore, Amoghasiddha Buddha represents 2 qualities. The pre-enlightened quality of confused behavior, which is miserliness, and the after effect of enlightened behavior, which is generosity. So when you're looking at someone like me, I have the 5 Buddha families in me. But in me, the Amoghasiddhi right now is not, the potential to be Amoghasiddhi is there. But I am still acting out of confused behavior because I'm miserly. But because I have the Buddha potential in me, I can become Amoghasiddhi, or another word for generous. Why? If someone can be miserly, they can be generous because that energy is changeable. Why? If that energy is not changeable, we cannot become a Buddha. To become a Buddha, it is not an energy or a quality that's given to us, it's a quality that's innate or untransformed. So actually, miserly energy and generosity energy is the same. Only one is transformed or purified. When it's purified, you give it a name, Amoghasiddhi. You understand that? So you can go to all 5 Buddha families to that, such as Amitabha is desire. Okay? Akshobhya is ignorance, etc., etc. Understand that? That's what the 5 Buddha families, in short, represent. Remember, Amoghasiddhi is confused behavior along with enlightened action. It is both. Everybody understand? It is both. Because one becomes the other.
So, actually, all the energies of the 5 Buddha families, the confused states are actually what attracts us. I mean,
no.
it highlights the weaknesses that we have. And at the same time, it's also the antidote.
Yeah, that's very good.
It transforms.
It's not replaced, it is it, but transformed. Yeah, that's good. That's a good way of putting it.